today's topic of discussion is how to get data using the between operator. Before moving forward, let's get the raw data in order to analyze it further. So here after executing the simple select statement, I am getting the data, and today I am utilizing higher date uh, in order to elaborate this concept. So first of all, what does this between operator do? Between operator actually provides the data between the low range and a high range. Like if you would like to see a data between 1 and 100, 200 and 300, you would like to see the data between two dates, then you will utilize the between clause. It's a very highly optimized clause, uh, highly recommended when while utilizing the dates. So let's start. Like for for example, in this scenario I am utilizing the higher date column, which is this one, and I would like to have data between these two dates. So when I am utilizing these two dates, it means like the lower range will come first and the higher range will go afterwards. And while filtering out the data, these two ranges, upper end and lower end, both will be inclusive, not exclusive. Inclusive means like if there will be any data between these two and over these endpoints, that data will be included. So right now I have 290 rows over the raw data, but when I will apply the between operator, and I would like to see the data between 2007-12-05 and 2008-12-229, so I will get the filter data. So I have executed this statement, and right now I am actually getting this data. So there was a date column, sorry, row, having the hire date 2007-12-05, which is actually the low end point of the between clause, and it is included and it is present. And then we have the data within the range, which is actually provided earlier in the between clause as endpoint. And then there are two rows having the higher date at the endpoint as well. So both of these two endpoints are actually inclusive in the between clause. Normally the between clause is very highly recommended when you are actually utilizing the dates, but it is also highly recommended when you are actually utilizing it over the integer data types or numeric data types. You may actually use it. It's quite useful. For example, right now in the following clause, following highlighted statement, I want to filter out the data between 550 and 100 over the column business entity ID, which is the first one. So when I apply this one, see, I am getting the data between 50 and 100, and the interesting part is that like I am getting 51 rows. So it's not nothing like that, like any row is getting repeated. It's because that between 50 and 100 there are 51 numbers, because 50 is inclusive as a lower end, so it's included. So I hope so that you will like this